global spoken English for giving me a chance to enhance my communication skills. My name is Nandini. I belong to Manipur, Assam. My father's name is Mr. Kumar. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am here to speak about importance of mother. There is nothing as powerful as a mother's love, and nothing as healing as a child. I want to speak some lines in Hindi. माँ का कर्ज एक ऐसा कर्ज है, माँ का कर्ज एक ऐसा कर्ज है जिसे हम अपनी जिंदगी भर की कमाई देकर भी नहीं चुका सकते हैं. I am going to start my topic. Mother is the most wonderful creation of God. Mother is a woman who gives a birth to a child and nurtures children selflessly. Even the animals also have their mother who play the same role. A mother is the first to provide love and affection to a children. A mother loves her child more than anything in the world. She starts equal emotional bond with her children. A mother understands what a child does not say. I want to speak some lines in Hindi. माँ का कर्ज एक ऐसा कर्ज है, माँ का कर्ज एक ऐसा कर्ज है जिसे हम अपनी जिंदगी भर की कमाई देकर भी नहीं चुका सकते हैं. माँ को देखकर मुस्कुरा लिया करो, क्या पता किस्मत में आज हो ना हो. मौत के लिए तो कई सारे रास्ते हैं, मौत के लिए तो कई सारे रास्ते हैं, लेकिन जन्म के लिए केवल माँ. I conclude my speech